What to consider when making commercial HVAC repair versus replace decisions. Coming up on today's Mechanical Minute-ish. Summer is just around the corner, and as the mercury begins to rise, so does the load you put on your commercial HVAC systems, and with that, of course, can come the occasional equipment failure. When failures occur, it's often the case that facility managers have to make costly repair versus replace decisions. Here are the 4 things you need to consider before deciding one way or the other. Number 1, repair frequency. As a piece of equipment begins to near the end of its life, repairs will need to happen more and more often. If you need to start repairing the same unit multiple times a year, it may be time to go ahead and replace the equipment. Number 2, cost. It's the general rule of thumb that if the repair cost is 50 to 60% of the replacement cost, it's probably a good idea to just replace the unit. Of course, your budget and what makes sense for your company needs to both be taken into consideration as well. Number 3, equipment age. According to ASHRAE, most commercial HVAC units have a lifespan of about 15 years. Of course, that may vary depending on how strict you are with your preventative maintenance program. If a unit gets to be over 10 years old and service needs to be done, consult with an HVAC contractor, share the service history, and get their opinion on whether or not you should go ahead with the repair or if it makes more sense to replace it. Number 4, equipment efficiency and energy costs. As your equipment ages, the efficiency will decrease, which means you can expect your energy costs to go up. If you're on the fence about whether or not to replace, run the numbers. Find out how much a new, more efficient system could save you over the course of a year. That number could help make your decision easier one way or the other. Remember, these decisions can be costly, and 2 heads are always better than 1. So find one or multiple HVAC experts which you trust and get their opinion on what's best for you. That's this week's Mechanical Minute-ish. We'll see you next time.